Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Well, hello and welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's video, we find ourselves in Alachua County, Florida, where we find a sovereign citizen who was pulled over because of no license plate on her vehicle whatsoever and tries all the soft-hard tricks in the game, only to end up with a broken window and a shiny new pair of bracelets. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this freaking S-show on the road, shall we?
Sir, is there a threat? Is there a threat to public safety, sir?
Ma'am, step out of your vehicle, your license, please. Ma'am,
Sir?
lawful order to exit your vehicle.
Are you?
The registration and proof of insurance, please.
Can you please get your sheriff, the head sheriff?
I want to speak to your
Please get the head sheriff. Get your boss, please. Get your boss.
Ma'am, if you don't come out of the vehicle, I'm going to be placing you under arrest.
Sir, I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong, sir.
A bullshit? A bullshit? A bullshit. A bullshit.
I'm recording you. I've done nothing wrong. Sir, get your boss. Sir, get the head sheriff, please. Sir, I've done nothing wrong. Is there a threat? Is there a threat to public safety?
Ma'am,
And not having a license plate is not arrestable offense according to. It's not an arrestable offense, sir.
ma'am,
Why did you pull me over? Do you have a threat to public safety that you need to address?
Well, you are correct in that not having a plate on your vehicle is an arrestable offense. Yeah, everything else you're doing is an arrestable offense. So please take this as a lesson that you should never listen to a soft-hard guru because they don't have your interests, your best interests in mind. They only have separating you from your money as their main interest and main goal.
Do you, excuse me, I want to speak to your supervisor.
Ma'am?
Please get your supervisor.
stop. That's fine.
Get your
So
supervisor.
Right
No,
now, I'm giving you a lawful
now.
order to exit the vehicle.
I'm no longer
If not-
speaking to you. Look,
Ma'am, if not,
Look
I'm
it.
gonna break your window.
if you break my window, that's an illegal search and siege.
I'm about to
That's
break your window.
illegal.
I'm giving you a lawful order to
Look,
exit the vehicle. Ma'am,
You're,
right now, I'm placing you under arrest
I'm-
for resisting without violence.
am I under a custodial arrest or am I free to go?
You're not free to
Am I under a custodial arrest?
Ma'am, I'm arresting you for
For
resisting
what?
without violence, for refusing my lawful order.
I'm not
Exit the
refusing
vehicle.
anything.
Provide your license,
Look,
proof of insurance,
you didn't
and
ask me. You just told me to pull over, and there's no threat to public safety. Look,
I'm telling you right now.
look, let me
Break
show
the
you.
window.
Let me show you. I'm going to show you something. Right now, this is under notice of motion to federal court. This case is under notice of motion to federal court. Look, signed by a grand jury administrator and timestamped by the courts. Okay? I'm going to show you. It's timestamped by the courts. Right now, you are violating my pursuits to travel. Signed and dated. You see that? Now, sir, I've done nothing wrong, and it's not an arrestable offense to drive without a license plate. I want to see your boss, please. I'm trying to be reasonable here.
Oh, wait, you serious? Let me laugh even harder.
And
You on 5? You listen to that?
I'm not doing anything wrong. And I've asked if I could see your boss, please.
I already told her she's under arrest.
I cannot be under arrest because there's no injured party. Is there an injured party? Do you have an affidavit and an arrest warrant? Do you have an arrest warrant? He needs to come from away from there. Also, I have a fencing and posting on my body. I have a fencing and posting that says, do not touch my property, my body.
Giving you a lawful order to
Sir,
exit the vehicle.
what lawful order
The
states
lawful order,
that
I'm
you can
telling you
pull
to
me
get out of
over
the vehicle
and
right now.
illegally search me?
Ma'am, I'm not trying to search you.
Where is, yes you are.
No,
You're trying,
you're
I
under
have the
arrest right
fifth,
now.
I have a
You're under arrest
rights,
now. You're under
I
arrest.
have rights. And I want to speak to your boss.
Fantastic. Once you get out
I
of the
want to
vehicle,
speak to your boss.
out of the
No, sir, right now, because if you do anything, you will be done the same way right here. You have a bond, you have license and insurance. There's already one policeman been fired for treating me this way.
get out of the vehicle.
You sure about that? You sure about that? You sure about that?
Sir, I want to speak to your boss. I'm recording you,
That's fantastic.
and I want to speak to your boss.
That's fantastic. Get out of the vehicle.
Oh my God, where's the head sheriff?
Ma'am, get
Where is the head sheriff?
Get out.
Where is the head sheriff for, what is this county called?
Alachua County Sheriff.
Alachua County.
I'm
Where is
Deputy
your
Rowe,
boss?
ID 1644.
Where is your
A
boss?
lawful order. To
A
exit the
lawful
vehicle.
order to do what?
To get out of the vehicle.
I do not have to get out of private
Ma'am,
property.
No, you're not exactly correct in this particular situation, you crayon-munching, soft-tard jackass. According to Pennsylvania versus Mims, when a police officer asks you to get out of the vehicle, you have to get out of the vehicle. It is well within their rights to ask you to do so. So you might want to study up on the actual laws instead of this soft-tard bullshit that your guru has been feeding you, because this shit is just not going to do anything more than get you an arrest record.
Telling you right
Sir,
now, you do
sir,
arrest
where's
people.
your boss?
You have the right to act.
I am not trying to argue with you. Get me your boss, please.
Get out of the
Please
vehicle.
get me your boss.
Ma'am.
Please get me your
Give me an order.
boss.
You're under arrest. for
Sir,
resisting
I'm
arrest.
not under arrest. There's no arrest
telling you right
warrant. Do
now.
you have an arrest warrant?
Under arrest.
Do you have a proper arrest warrant? Do you have an arrest warrant with the signed wedding signature from a judge that says there's an injured party, that I've injured someone?
Ma'am, I'm telling you.
Do
right
you
now,
have that? Go get your boss,
you need to refuse
please.
to get out of the vehicle. We're going
I
to break your window to get
don't
inside
touch
and
my
release you.
vehicle. If you do, that's an illegal search and siege. Sir, I've done nothing wrong. Please get me your boss. Please. Get me your boss. Please get me your boss. I don't know how many times I have to ask for that. I feel threatened right now.
Giving you a
I'm being
order to
threatened.
the vehicle.
I'm being coerced. I'm under duress right now. I'm being threatened that if I don't give to the whims of this sheriff, that I'm going to be harmed, that my vehicle's going to be harmed. I need to speak to your sheriff. I need to speak to your office, your superior. I need to speak to your superior, sir. Look, let me show you something. Let me just show you this. This is called the Common Law Handbook.
Yeah, go ahead and Google the Common Law Handbook, as I did, and you will find an incredible collection of quote mines and, well, out of context bullshit into a conglomeration of crap. Yeah, so, yeah, what you looked up, the Common Law Handbook, is just total garbage.
I need to speak with your boss.
Arizona tag on the trailer.
I need to speak with your boss. You're doing something illegal right now. You have a
Ma'am, do you
duty.
have your license on you?
You have a duty to uphold the Constitution.
Eyes on her
Are
while
you
you-
an oath? Are you an oath keeper or a code enforcer? Which one are you? Are you an oath keeper or a code enforcer? Which one are you? Because you don't have a right to pull me over and arrest me. I've done nothing wrong. Look, where is your boss? Are you an oath keeper, Sheriff? Sir? Are you an oath keeper? Look, I do not want to argue with you. I've done nothing wrong. And here's your duty.
Ma'am.
Here's your duty.
Ma'am, you have
The
your
duty
license
of
on
the
you today?
sheriff. You have a
Still
sheriff's
refusing to
duty.
identify yourself?
Why do I have to identify myself? I've done nothing wrong.
1220, you still made a way forward?
Sheriffs today, a sheriff always has the power to make arrests within his or her own county. Some states extend this authority to adjacent counties or to the entire state. Many sheriff's officers also perform routine patrol functions such as traffic control, accident investigations, and transportation of prisoners. Larger departments may perform criminal investigations, and some, usually large sheriff's office, command and air patrol. As sheriff's law enforcement duty become more extensive and complex, new court duties, sheriffs are responsible for maintaining safety and the security of the court. A sheriff's deputy may be required to attend court. Sir, where's your boss? You're bound by the Constitution and the oath that you kept. You have no immunity from liability when you are violating my constitutional rights.
You gonna do it from the passenger side?
Don't break my window.
Get out of the car.
That's it.
Get out of the car.
Don't.
Get out of the car.
Don't.
Ma'am, get out of the car.
Why would you do such a thing? I feel threatened. He's violating my rights. He's violating. What is your name? What is your name?
Get out of the car
What
now.
is your name?
Get out
No.
of the car now.
No, you broke my window. No.
Get out of the car.
No. No.
Under arrest.
You're ripping me out of my vehicle.
Under arrest.
Stop. I did nothing wrong. Stop.
I mean, I would say stupid is as stupid does, and in this case, it would be justified because you actually read out so much of the sheriff's duty and an officer's duty, and among those was law enforcement. I mean, good freaking grief. They were enforcing the laws of the state, you nitwit. So, in this particular case, this quote mining book actually backed them up and not you. And that's just flat out sad. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
This could be some groundbreaking stuff right here.
You don't want to go to jail.
For what?
Read this.
I don't have to listen to
Read it.
anything. Blah, 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 blah.
Dude, so there's no way I can get in, bro? Come on, I'll put you on my YouTube.
But shut up, Wesley.
You gotta put signs up, ma'am, if it's...
Are you Glenn Serio?
Who's that?